Okay, ma'am.
Because it's still buffering. Okay, yes, started. Good morning. It started. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes, a very good morning to all of you. Keep your microphones off. Keep your microphones off. We are going to start our conversion. We are going to do two topics today. First is conversion, which we have already started yesterday. Yesterday, we have little bit about the conversion we have done, how to convert the rupees into paisa. So we are going to further about this topic, and we have to solve few queries about how to do the column method with 3-digit numbers. So these topics we are going to clear it out today. I'm going to present my screen and please write along with that. Okay?
Ma'am, because of internet issue, I left
I'm
again
just going
back.
to start my class, so you have to write.
Yes, Prisha, you can leave and then come again. Fine, no problem.
So this we have already done. Am I clearly audible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Just Prisha's mic is on and she's having some network issues. So
Prisha, please check.
she was trying to.
So my class starts now. The conversions, converting rupees into paisa. Yesterday we have done this, how to convert the rupees into paisa. If you have 5 rupees and you want to convert it into the paisa, what you will do? One child can switch, Anya Mittal can switch on his microphone, her microphone, and tell me 1
Yes, ma'am.
rupee equals to how many pesos?
100 paisa, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Next, Vansh Balchandani. Vansh Balchandani, switch on your microphone and
Yes,
speak.
ma'am.
3 rupees equals to how many pesos?
300 paisa.
So how you got this 300 paisa? How you calculated it?
Ma'am, by multiplying 3 multiplied by 100.
Yes. So when you want to convert the rupees into paisa, we have to multiply that number with the 100. For example, if I want to convert 6 rupees into paisa, so I will multiply 6 with the 100. This way we have done yesterday 4 to 5 questions. So now moving ahead, you have done this 1 into 1 rupee equals to 100 paisa. 2 rupees is equal to 2 into multiply by 100 is 200 paisa. This way you have done with 5 and 12. You can take any number or any number of rupees, and if you want to convert them into the paisa, you just multiply it with the 100. And the shortcut method of this is, because 100 is having 2 zeros. So if you want to give the answers quick and mentally, you just add the 2 zeros right to the product of that number, right? If it is 12 rupees. So Trisha, what will be the answer? How many pesos in 12 rupees?
12 into 100.
So if you want, don't say multiply by 100. If you want to give quick answer, so it will be 1200, and you are also correct
1200.
that 12 multiplied by 100 is also 1200. Just add the 2 zeros to the right of that number. Now,
Excuse me, Renu
yes,
ma'am.
Lahma, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. I was asking that now you asked the Prisha the question, okay, the 1200. So, ma'am, can we do it like that also? 1200?
Yes, yes. 12 into 200, right? Why 1000? Lama, why 1000?
I was just asking because I was not confirmed with it.
Okay. So now we will see if rupees and paisa, both the things are there, and how to convert them into the paisa. So till here we have already done. So I just scroll, I guess. Converting rupees and paisa into paise. So if you have rupees also and if you have paisas also, both the things, and how
Not done that.
we have not done that, we are doing it today. Converting rupees and paisa into paisa means you have rupees also and you have paisa also, and you have to convert them into the paisa. So first thing, it should to be clear in your mind that the paisa which are already in paisas will not be converted and the rupees will be converted. So first we will identify what are the paisas and what are the rupees. So when it is written 33.50, so after the decimal, or it is called point also, it is called decimals also. When you go in higher, or you will learn the chapter decimal, you will learn about more in decimals. But right now you should be, you should know this about that. Before the decimals are the rupees. When we write these numbers, or when we write the price or the amount in the numbers, so we will write 33.50. So it identifies, it clear out that after decimal is the paisa and before the decimal is rupees. Am I clear till now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So are you all clear that in this, now I will ask this question from Arna. Arna, tell me, in 33.50, how many rupees are there? Arna Agarwal.
Ma'am, children, they are requested not to send messages for whether they have to write or not. Again and again, they are asking they have to write or not.
What,
Wait
ma'am?
a minute, I will instruct you when to write. First, let me explain. Yes, Arna Agarwal, in 33.50, so how many rupees are there in this and how many paisa are in this?
Ma'am, 33 rupees and 3300 paise.
So wait, my question is just how many rupees are in this and how many paisas are in this right now?
Ma'am, 33 rupees and 3300 paise.
Did I ask how many paisas? No, I am asking in 33 point. Listen my question carefully. In 33.50, can you read this? In this,
Yes,
how
ma'am.
you will find out how many rupees are in this and how many paisas are in this?
Ma'am, it is dot in between them. And before the dot, which is number there, it is the rupees, and after the dot, that is paisa.
Yes. So it is 33 rupees and 50
Paise.
paise. Now the whole 33.50 we need to convert it into the paise. So as we know that after the point is paisa, so we no need to touch this. Right? We no need to touch this 50 paisa. We first have to convert 33 rupees into the paisa. So if it is 33 rupees, how you will convert it into the paisa? Yug Baria will answer me. Yug Baria, tell me. Switch on your microphone and answer me.
3300.
Yes. So how you got the 3300?
33 into 100.
Yes. So when we convert the rupees into paisa, as I have explained you before also, that 33 multiplied by 100 equals to 3300 paisas. Now, what to do with this 50 paisa? This 50 paisa is already in paisa, will not be converted. Will just only be added in the paisas which we calculated before. As we calculated that 3300 paisa, so in 3300 paisa plus 50 paisa. So after adding, it will be 3350 paisa. You can see here in this box. Now, all of you open your notebook and write this, write the heading, convert rupees and paisa into paisa. Write the question, convert rupees. Please mention this rupees sign also, as we have learned that Indian currency is denoted with this sign. 33.50 into paisa, and then solve it till here. And if it is in a box, write them in the box. If you don't want to write in box, it's okay. Don't ask simple question, ma'am. If it is in a box, we also write in the box. It's your choice. They are writing in the box because they want to highlight the answer, right? Now,
ma'am.
yes, tell me.
Ma'am, we have to do this on next page or we have to continue?
You have to do it on the next page.
Ma'am,
Yes, start doing. I'm going to present it.
but I have done in that. Ma'am, I can't see it.
I have not presented
Ma'am.
it. How can you see it then?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I am writing that page only. Below it.
Vivan, what you want to show? It's okay. If you have space on the same page, write from the below. If you don't have space on the same page, write it on the next page. Please don't forget to put the heading.
Okay, ma'am.
So screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can I write the next question?
First question is done.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait for the next question.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
Riddhi, I have a doubt like in this 1 rupee is equals to 100 paisa.
Yes.
And I had gone to a shop. There I take a thing of 100. So
Yes.
if I give him one coin, so it will be as 100 paisa.
Means I didn't understood that. You told that you went to the shop and you buy the things of rupees 100 or 100 paisa rupees you have buy the things. You have buy the things of
100
rupees
paisa.
100 paisa.
Yeah.
So
Then can you write a pencil?
you will give the 100 paisa to the shopkeeper.
I am yes. I mean that I will give one coin.
One coin of how much? How many rupees are there in one coin?
100.
100 rupees. Have you seen ever the 100 rupee coin?
100 paisa.
100 paisa. Okay, you have given to the shopkeeper 100 paisa, right? Then
I said, ma'am, please can you put the pencil? Ma'am, I am saying that one thing is of 100 paisa, and I gave him a coin of 1 rupee.
So he will not give you return back anything because 100 paisa is equals to 1 rupee.
So it will take an. Ma'am, can you move the pencil?
Okay.
Then he will give
Children, this
to
much
me.
you can adjust. If it is this much, you can adjust, right? Because you have already learned how to do it. You can do it by your own also. Yes,
ma'am. So if I give him a 1 rupee coin, so he will give me the thing.
Yes. Because if you went to buy a one chocolate and previously, so we were having the coins in paisas also, right? Now you can see the coin from directly from 1 rupee or the 2 rupees. When we were young and we were small like children like you, we were having the paisas also. 5 paisa, 10 paisa, 25 paisa, right? So if I want to buy a chocolate of rupees,
the pencil?
my dear, do it by your own.
Ma'am, how can I do?
So you didn't understood how to solve it,
Well, ma'am, I cannot see it.
but you understood know how to solve it. You do it in your own way. So Riddhi, when we were small, we were having the coins or the small paisas in 10 paisa, 20 paisa, 25 paisa. So if I, please switch off your microphone. So if I want, a shopkeeper told me that this chocolate is of 1 rupee. Can you hear me, Riddhi? Riddhi, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now switch off. So if shopkeeper told me that this chocolate or toffee is of 1 rupee, so but that time we were having 25 paisa coins also, right? So I will add 425 coins, paisa coins, then it make the 100 paisa. Nowadays you directly have 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 3 rupees, right? Understood or not, Riddhi?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Now please do it. Now those who have done this first one, I'm writing few more questions for them and they have to do it by their own in their notebook. So the question is convert into paise.
Ma'am,
Yes. First sum you have
we have to
already
write this
done.
also.
My dear, what is
Yes.
the problem? You children don't listen at the one go. As I said, those who have done the question number 1 from the screen, they will do the question number 2 from this board.
मेरे को बताना लिखना है क्या ये चल मम्मा हमको दोनों लोग
Switch off your microphone, please.
Ayansh, switch off your mic.
So the same question, convert into paise. I am giving you more practice questions here. Please do it in your notebook right now. So put the second number. First you have already done. So put the second number, write the question, rupees 6.16 paise. Convert it into the paise. Third is rupees 40.40 paise. Convert it into the paisas. Fourth is rupees 51.55. Convert it into the paise. And the fifth is rupees 73.75. Convert it into the paise. Convert it into the same way which we have done, the way we have done the first one. Multiply.
What? Which one is the second one?
Ma'am, see the
You can't see my screen.
No, ma'am. The
ma'am.
screen is very blur and
Ma'am,
something.
little
something
just
blank.
make it nearer to the window. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Now we can see. Ma'am, Vivan is showing you 50 paisa coin. You just listen because otherwise he will not mute.
Okay. Yes, Vivan, show me. Yes, good. You have 50 paisa coin?
Yes, ma'am. I have 25 rupees also.
25 paisa or 25 rupees?
25 paisa.
Yes. This is Indian currency paisa?
No, ma'am. My mom gave this when I was small.
But I don't think this is Indian currency 25 paisa. This is some different.
No, ma'am. It is Indian. I can see
Just
on
see.
the screen.
Okay. It's blur showing me. That's why I cannot see it clearly.
Ma'am, I have a Dubai coin also.
Can I play the screen? Everyone has done the question number 1?
Yes.
Please do it fast. Or please write the questions first so that I can move ahead.
Lakshmi ma'am, don't want the answers in the chat box. Keep writing in your notebook.
Please write in your notebook. First, please write all the questions so that after the class also you can solve it. I think everyone has done the first one. Dhyan Dalal, you have done?
No.
No. Be little fast. Please write all the questions first and then solve them.
Ma'am,
Yes,
we have to show the multiplication or we have to direct write the answer?
you have to show. But if it is coming in the fill in the blanks or any short answers, you can directly also can write. But right now you have to show the method. Yes, Trisha, tell me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
when we convert rupees into paisa, then we have to multiply. And
Yes.
when we have to convert paisa into rupees, then we have to divide.
Yes, that is the next topic.
Okay, ma'am.
Please write.
Ma'am, the third question is rupees 40.40 paise.
Yes.
1 rupee is equal to 100.
Yug Baria, switch off your mic.
See, this also I want to explain you that when we use the point here, we will not have to write the paisa at the back. Please remember it. If we are writing the point here, it means this before the point is rupees and after the point is paisa. So we do not write that rupees 6.16 paisa. This will not be accepted, right?
Yash Desai, mute yourself.
So it is understood that after the decimal is the paisa. If you are writing the point, means after the point is paisas. We will not write separately the paisa for here at the back. Right? Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Please write the sums so that we move ahead with the next.
Ma'am, these sums which you have written on board, we have to write in notebook.
Yes, what you were doing from the last 10 minutes.
Oh, I was doing that sum which you were presenting.
Rahil,
Ma'am,
have you done? Farzan, switch on your camera first.
Yes, ma'am. What we have to do now?
What you are doing from the last 10 to 15 minutes.
Ma'am, the presentation.
Now the board sum.
Ma'am, we have to do like same.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Please write all the sums. We will discuss the answers tomorrow. Solve it at home. 1 or 2 sums you can do it faster.
Ma'am, you will send this copy.
No,
Then I took a
no,
screen.
you have to write.
Okay.
Renu ma'am, I've written in my rough book so I can remember it.
Yes, yes. It's up to you.
Ma'am, done.
Mandra Jodia, what happened? You have not done the first one also?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, solve. Ma'am, all the board sums done. All.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Mandra Jodia, do it faster.
Ma'am, I'm on the second question. Converting paisa means converting rupees and paisa into paisa.
Then do it.
But ma'am, I'm on
Mike,
We are on second question.
First, write all the questions so that you can do it after the class also.
no messages in the chat box.
And keep
Ma'am,
your
switch
microphones off.
Ma'am, switch off your mic. Ma'am, Vivan is asking again and again for the quiz.
Vivan, which quiz you want to do it? Every day? Okay. Good, Jishna. So please write. I hope everyone has written these board sums. No recording. Please. No recording will be sent. If you have any internet issues, get it repaired and get it soon work out. So now I will go to the next topic. Converting paisa into rupees. When we convert paisa into rupees, we divide. Let's see. Converting paisa into rupees. If I have 100 paisa, so 100 paisa equals to 1 rupee, you all know, as Riddhi was asking. Now 200 paisa will be 200 divided by 100 will be 2. Now in this, if you want to do it quick, you just remove the 2 zeros from the back number. If it is 2400 paisa, remove 2 zeros, so it will be 24 rupees. This way you can do it directly also, or you can divide it with the 100 and get the answers. Please write it in your notebook. Converting paisa into rupees. Write the heading and then write all the 4 sums. 100 paisa equals to rupee 1 and 200 paisa equals to 200 divided by 100 equals to rupees 2. 500 paisa equals to 500 divided by 100 equals to rupees 5. 1500 paisa equals to 1500 divided by 100. 1500. Yes.
Please scroll up a little bit.
Up or down?
Sit properly first of all.
Ma'am, up. Yes, ma'am.
Please write it fast.
Ma'am, if it's 25 paisa and we have to convert it into rupees, then
It is 25 paisa and you want to convert it into the rupees. How 25? Then see, it will be 25 paisa only. When you divide 25 with the 100, you have to put the decimal. So it will be 25 point. So it will be 25 paisa only. How 25 paisa will be converted into the rupees?
if it's 250, then
If it is 250,
50.
then it will be where you will put the decimal. You have to divide it with the 100. So when you divide 250 with the 100, you have to put the decimal. See, if I do it with the long division method, then also you will get. But if I want to do it directly, I will see how many zeros the 100 is having. 2 zeros. And I have 250. So I will count the 2 digit from the back. 1, 2, and I will put the decimal here. So it will be 2 rupees 50 paisa.
Okay.
And if it is 650 or 645, then also I will count 2 digits from the back and I write the 0 here. Okay, and if it is 645, so I will count the 2 digits from the back. Why I am counting 2 digits from the back? Because 100 is having 2 zeros. So I will count 2 digits from the back, 1 and 2, and then I will put decimal. It will be 16 rupees 45 paisa. Am I clear?
Yes, then division is very easy for converting.
Yes. If you want to do it with the long division method, then also the answer will be same. You divide it and get the answer. If you want to do it directly in the fill in the blanks, true, false, match the columns, you can do it in this way also directly.
Renu ma'am,
Yes.
and just like we read in the convert into paisa,
Yes.
we showed the full method, right? So in the convert into rupees, we can do long division method and show the full method.
As I said, no, it is up to you. If you are doing it is 1 mark question, 2 mark question, then show the method. And if it is the fill in the blanks and you can directly, you are in very good in quick answers, you can do directly also.
Yeah, okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, you said you have to give a heading of convert into rupees.
So you have not written any question of convert into rupees.
So it is there on the screen, my dear.
Okay.
So 4 sums are already there. You can do it.
Ma'am, I completed that. So my last sum of converting in paisa is left. So may I complete that
Yes,
now?
yes, yes, yes.
Uh,
Take that mic off.
yes, ma'am.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next topic is which Trisha was asking, ma'am, how many will be go in the rupees and how many will be go in the pesas when we have the big number, when we don't have the zeros at the back, how we will solve it. That will be our next. So I'll scroll it. Please just check. Yes, this is convert 2,670. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Convert pesa into rupees and pesa. Here the situation comes, you will have some part in rupees also and some part in pesa also. Before was the question that everything, yes.
Ma'am, I know in this case
Then
what
we have to add paisa into what answer we get.
Ma'am, ma'am, ma'am. Now by mistake I
Yes.
left. So what we have done? By
What
mistake I
you have
left.
left? This much which is showing on the screen.
Yes.
Converting paisa into rupees and paisa, in that case what you will do, if it is 2,675 paisa, you have to divide it with the 100. When you divide it with the long division method which is shown here to the right side, so when you divide it, and you will get some part in the quotient and some part in the remainder.
Ma'am, I know sort also.
Very good. So some part you will get in the quotient and some you will get in the remainder. So 26 which you got in the quotient will be your rupees and remainder 75 will be your paisa. As we have done in the shortcut also when Trisha was asking
Ma'am,
how
we
to
have to
put the
write this.
decimal. Yes. Start writing.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we have to show this division.
Yes. I have explained the same question and again. Lama also asked. Then in notebook, you do it with the full method. When it comes in your fill in the blanks, match the followings, you should know the quick answers also.
Then I have already done this thing.
As Trisha asked that how to put the decimal directly, how to convert them into rupees and paisa. So that also I explained.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, if it would be divided by 100, it would be divided by 1,000, then 2 rupees and 600.
Why it will divided by 1,000 first? You tell me.
Ma'am, this is some.
If it would be like this,
Yeah, then yes, then division we can do it in this way also. But don't confuse the children why we are doing with the 100. They already know here we are doing with 100 that 1 rupee equals to 100 paisa. That's we are dividing with the 100. But if you want to learn the division, which is already explained to you, that how to divide the numbers with 100,000 or the numbers which is having 0, that is a different case. Okay, Ayush.
yes, ma'am. But in that, the last 3 numbers will be separated because it's 1,000.
Yes, because it's having 3 zeros, so last 3 numbers will be separated and the remaining will be separated. That is in the division. But right now they are doing it with the 100. Why only with the 100? Why not with the 1,000 and another number? They should be clear with the concept that 1 rupee equals to 100 paisa. So when you will convert into the rupees, then you multiply paisa into rupees, and when you convert into rupees into paisa, then you divide. Sorry, paisa into rupees, then you divide.
This is some,
Yes.
ma'am, this is some like converting meter into centimeter.
Yes.
Because
this is same line.
yeah.
Please write it in your notebooks. And those who have done this, I'm giving them few more sums. $3,908 paise, 8,225 paise.
Ma'am, this which you are writing on board,
Yes.
we have to convert rupees into paisa.
Paisa into rupees and paisa, both. Some part will go in rupees and some will go in paisa, no? Yes or no? Twisha, am I audible? This is completely in paisa. Now you have to convert it into rupees and paisa. So as I explained, you have to divide it. When you divide it, some part will be the rupees and some will be the paisa.
39
Can anyone directly tell me how many rupees will be here?
39 rupees.
39 rupees. And how many paisas?
08.
08.
8 paisa. Ma'am, why do we?
Or we can say 8 paisa.
Right, we can write 8.
And now tell me this also directly. How many will go in the rupees and how many will go in the paisas?
82 into rupees and 25 to paisa.
82 rupees and 25 paisa.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to write
Understood,
this.
everyone? Yes, you have to write these two sums also. Please write it fast.
Ma'am, direct or
Yes.
with sum?
I don't know. I will not give the answer of this again and again.
Ma'am, your presentation had been gone.
I stopped. You have not done that question?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Can you see now?
Ma'am.
Please do it. Today I am going to send you the worksheet based on the same. Please complete it on time. As I told you yesterday also, I am going to block the worksheets on time. If I give the time, you have to do it on time.
Okay, ma'am.
Please complete it.
Ma'am, I had done.
Okay. So now I am going to stop my presenting screen.
Please 1 minute. Do now, please 1 minute.
Renu ma'am, I can leave, huh? Because
Yes,
I have
yes.
an
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
Ha, okay, bye.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
1 minute.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, you can do the presentation.
Those who have done this, I'll erase the board. I will want to explain them the column method of 3-digit for 2-3 minutes. Don't remind me about the time. I'm going to erase the board.
And just 2 minutes.
Yes, give me 2 minutes.
Ma'am, I know yesterday my mom just made me understand the 3-digit.
Yes, good. So
Ma'am,
now
please
look at the
take
board for
the
3 digits.
pencil at side.
Man Rajodia, how much time you will need to complete this?
Ma'am, please take this pencil at side. Ma'am, yesterday I know. Yes, ma'am, I done all the sums. I also, ma'am.
Okay, I am explaining you here on the board the 3-digit number. Vihan, tell me any 3-digit number.
Ma'am, for example, 2, 2 and 2.
2,
2 and 2. And 222.
222. And the another number which is 2-digit or 3-digit, it's up to you. Tell me any 3-digit number. Migdad is here in the class today.
Ma'am, I said on zero. Ma'am, I said.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Megdat, please pay attention here.
ma'am,
You
I
asked
said.
me
Yes, I know the method.
So
Ma'am,
I will take here 53. So I will make
Ma'am,
the
I know.
columns. It's okay, you know. There are few children who don't know. For them, I am explaining it again. So if there are 3 digits, 202. But if it is, sorry, 253 we take. So we will expand it into 3 parts. 200 plus 50 plus 3.
मैम
So
आपकी
we
स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही है.
tell Riddhi to pin on my screen.
Yes, ma'am, pin it, but I can't see it.
Now check, ma'am. Lamhan, is it visible?
yeah, ma'am, you're very clear.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am,
it's
you are
clear.
right.
Little bit
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Ma'am, little bit
So
blur.
200 will come here, 50 will come here, and 3. 50. Now we expand this 53. So it will go 50 and 3. Multiply. Now fill all the 6 boxes which are empty here. Here we will write the answer. So 5 into 2 is 10. 1 0 this, 1 0 this, 1 0 this. 3 more zeros will be added.
10,000.
5 into 5 is 25, and 1 0 this and 1 0 this will be added.
20.
5 into 3 is 15, and 1 0 of this will be right. 3 into 2 is 6, and 2 zeros of 200. 3 into 5 is 15, and 1 0, and 3 into 3 is 9. Now add all the 6 blocks which you have filled, so your total answer will come. 10,000, 2,500, 150, 600, 150, and 9. Add them and get the answer and tell me what is the answer. 10,
4409.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
4409.
It will be 4, 4 or 3, 1, 3, 9, 0, 0.
139.
Ma'am, 139. If you have any query related with it,
Ma'am, it
09.
see 10,000 plus 2,500 plus 150 plus 600. Add it and get the answer. Yes, Marinika, you are right.
Ma'am, it will come 13409.